Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to print directly from your phone using the Epson L3250 printer by setting up a Wi-Fi Direct connection. Whether you're using Android or iOS, this method is fast, wireless, and doesn't require a router. Let's jump right in. Start by turning on your Epson L3250 printer using the power button. Wait for the Wi-Fi light to stop blinking and stay solid. This means the printer is ready. Now, press the Wi-Fi button on the printer to activate Wi-Fi Direct. Before moving on, make sure you've loaded at least 3 sheets of A4 paper into the paper tray. This will allow the printer to print the network info we need. Next, press and hold the network status button for around 7 seconds. Printer will print a network status report. On that sheet, you'll find important information like the SSID and Wi-Fi Direct password. Keep it handy as you'll need it shortly. Now, pick up your smartphone. Make sure it's connected to the internet and head over to the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android. Search for the Epson iPrint app, download and install it. Once installed, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Look for the SSID of your Epson printer. It should match the one printed on the network report. Select it and enter the password from the same sheet. You might get a warning saying there's no internet access. That's normal, just tap Connect anyway. If your phone is connected to the printer's Wi-Fi, open the Epson iPrint app. Agree to the terms and conditions and skip the app tour by tapping OK. On the main screen, tap here to select a printer. If the app requests location access, allow it. This helps the app detect your printer. Once your Epson L3250 appears in the list, tap to select it. Confirm by choosing Keep using Epson iPrint. And that's it. Your phone is now connected to the Epson L3250, and you're ready to print wirelessly, no router required. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Press the notification button as well. See you soon.